Remember, Guti, our people, they can't even think for themselves without consulting Rupert. Rupert, if I give these people water, would you be okay? If Melati now, I am saying, how many years liberated? Because that's the first thing, infrastructure. And the young though, you say infrastructure, you prepare roads. You know, prioritize at 94. Even besides his just promise 1 million houses based on what white people promised. Then they deceive Tata Laboban. They never promised. They never delivered on those promises. Who looks bad? Tata. Do you understand? So manje ingakho mele siphume kulabelungu. Kahle kahle banyawuke. We will be much better. You know, because the deception continues. It's now a state-sponsored deception. The government, the festivity, this foolish festivity is I keep money. How much have they spent about Turkey assisting Amazon when they welcome their own ancestors in Europe and America? Because this is what a black person is doing when he's partaking or she's partaking on these ceremonies, the Easter. You are assisting the white ancestors to continue to enslave Mtomnyama. When it comes to their New Year, for them to welcome their own ancestors, they do fuck all. It's as if it doesn't exist. Couldn't say existed in over 20 years, but they are turning a blind eye. All of them. Ageko iliga engakhulumanga nayo ngalento ekalele. All of them are rejecting. All of them. Why? Because umlungu akakasho. So manje, why do we put trust here on such characters who hate us? Because it's demonstration of a deep-seated hate that they are showing us. Purporting to be our leaders, but to do just basic things. Make sure that South Africa is one of the wealthiest countries in Africa. Bashulwe yini ukusinikeza amanzi ne-electricity for free. How do you demand electricity, money or water money emalokishini? Ukuthi awubancedi labo bantu to get economically active. Uze wena sowuphethe imbazo. Wangabhatali ngiyavala. And bayavala. How many black people experience load shedding? It's not even load shedding for 6 months. Some of them even 3 years. In their own areas. They don't have electricity. How do you justify that? We have all the possibility. We have the sun. We have everything. It's namalase. Amalase that can last us millions of years. Kepumlungu bachele wabapripe angadate 8-point-something a billion. For them, ukuthi bavale these coal mines. How stupid you are as a leader. Ukuthi, you then close your reliable source of electricity because of a promise from a colonizer. Ukuthi, no, you must use a renewable. Renewables have not proven successful in terms of producing the necessary amount of electricity that the country needs. Yeah. So what type of a leader? You listen to a colonizer because it gives you money. You close, then your people are in darkness. While they witness on a daily basis trucks going to the port, exporting the coal that they need to keep the fires burning. What hate do you have for us? What type of hate do these people have for us? I mean, how do you reason money over your people? Well, history, it will judge all of us. All of us will be judged by history. Ukuthi senzeni la, to improve the lot of the people. Because, yibo manje wa allowing let deception to continue. Nakukuza ile ntuza, the craze about solar eclipse. Everybody, I'm sure there are parties being organized to watch the solar eclipse. Another deception. Who said to Guti those were favorable days where the sun is blocked? Those are not favorable days. Those days, Kokobetu did nothing on those days because they were bad days. According to our ancestors, nothing should obstruct the sun. Nothing should obstruct the sun. Because if that were to continue, everything dies. So you can't celebrate something that diminishes your power from the sun. Because we are yaba into yaba fashionable for us to look forward to these eclipses. Okokobetu didn't want this thing. And